Hello, Taylor. Hopefully I can help with number 7 on your math homework. So, reading it, it says, suppose the circle has a circumference of 25.1 centimeters. Compare where the object would have been if it had gone in a straight line at 4 centimeters per second for 6.28 seconds to where it has gone around the circle. So, what we're going to do is we're just going to add those numbers together. So we know we're moving for 6.28 seconds, and our speed is 4 centimeters a second. So if we add those together, we're going to wind up with, well, we could do it as 628 plus, sorry, this is times, not plus, times 4, if that's easier to think about, that you wind up with, if you do it that way, 12, and then you're just going to bring back in your decimal point. So this is just what your answer should come out to, and you can just use a calculator, that's easier. But this is going to be centimeters traveled over all that time. And what they're going for is that, remember, the circumference of the circle is 25.1 centimeters. So if you started at A and you went off in a straight line, you go way out to 25.12 centimeters. But because you're on a circle and your diameter is 25.1, it's going to follow it around, and it's just going to go 0.2, not even that, 0.02 of a centimeter. You're going to be here at, we'll call this E. So it's just going to go a little bit of distance rather than if it had gone straight out. And because we've got 0.2, it went out 25.112 to get to this point. We're out here on a straight line. So we can just subtract that. And the dots are going to be 25.1 centimeters apart. So if we draw the circle smaller, so that hopefully makes sense. If we start here, if it sticks to it, it's going to go all the way around, following this arrow, all the way around, and it's going to wind up right here. Whereas if it goes in a straight line, it goes all the way out here. And the distance between this spot and this spot is going to be 25.1 centimeters, or the circumference of your circle if you were to weigh it out. Hopefully that helps. If not, please send me a message. I'll have more answers. And if not, I have a guy who's going for engineering who hopefully can answer the physics problems.